friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. I wanted to tell you that after next week, this little Mimi's Mixed Bag channel is going to be 10 years old. I cannot believe that I've been posting home decor, happy gifts, all kinds of fun party and celebration things. So if you're new to this channel, be sure and check out my playlist. There is literally 10 years worth of fun that I have shared on this channel. Today I've got a couple great products I want to share with you. If you're a homeowner, they're considered kind of upgrades to a home. We moved in this house a couple years ago next month, and actually I bought it for my daughter. So when we moved in this house, she had done quite a few upgrades, granite countertops, light fixtures and things like that. And one of the things that she upgraded was our front door lock. We have been using a keyless door entry to our front door ever since day one. So an Amazon seller reached out and wanted me to share one of their smart locks. Well, because we loved the one on our front door so much, I said yes to a second one on our garage door. This one is way nicer than the one we have on the front door. So here's the box I received after a couple days of saying yes. It was Amazon Prime, and this is considered a DIY installation. So they have a very detailed picture, easy to understand instruction booklet. And if you have a brand new door, they included a cutting template if you need to drill the hole. So tomorrow I'm going to have my husband install this lock and show you what it looks like and how it works. Now I'm going to put the link down below, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised of how inexpensive this lock is for it to do what all it does. And they also have a great coupon to clip, and it's even cheaper. So I know this is one upgrade we're going to continue to love. So my husband thought it would be a lot more beneficial for him to put this smart lock on his shop in the backyard. When he's out in the yard, he needs to get inside the doors and he doesn't have to hunt for a key, and he can just go in and out. Or if somebody wanted to borrow something, he can just give them a passcode. He's taken the little doorknob off of his shop door and just going to follow the directions picture by picture, and I'll show you what it looks like when he gets done. Alright, he got the lock installed. It took him about 10 minutes. He said the directions were super easy to follow, pictures and explanations, even for a beginner. And right now he is downloading the app that is on the instruction sheet so he can register our names and the serial number on the lock to match it up. And so with the app, you're able to generate a custom passcode for all the time, or you can generate a one-time passcode if someone just needs to come in one time. You can operate the app from your phone, your watch. You can use a key fob. All right, the door's locked now. He was able to make a custom code. All right, here it is, him using his fingerprint. And we're able to use a couple different fingerprints, mine and his. So we already can tell this is going to be a real asset to our backyard, not having to hunt for keys for this door. Next house upgrade was all my husband's idea. He has been looking at our front and back porch for a while and just said, you know, I have scrubbed it with muriatic acid. I've done everything I know to do to make this concrete look new. There's only so much you can do on 30-plus-year-old concrete. He did a little research and he found this product called Rust-Oleum Rock Solid. I've got the box here. It's too heavy to lift up, so I'm just going to put a picture of it on the screen. It comes with all of the chemical supplies, and then it tells you what tools and extra things that you need to purchase with it. He read all the reviews and found that this was the very best of the DIY floor coating products. All right, here's the little side view of our front porch. Our front porch isn't real big. It looks so much nicer and cleaner. And this product is actually called polycurene. I'll put the word on the screen and you can look it up. It's supposed to be twice as more durable than epoxy. You know, when you do epoxy on things, it gives it like a waterproof finish to it, and that's what this is. This porch will always look this clean, and if it does get dirty, I can just blow it off and literally mop it if I choose to. And with concrete, if you have unsealed concrete, it just continually stains. So this will stay looking like this forever. I'm going to take you to my back porch and show you what that looks like. All right, here's the back porch. The color we bought was called Gray Gloss. Just super happy with the way it looks. His next plan is to do our garage floor. With the garage floor, they actually have these little sparkles or grit that you can sprinkle in this stuff to give it a little more traction, and it's made for garage floors. Now, if you are local to the Memphis area, I will put down below where we bought all of our kits, and they were literally half the price of Lowe's and Home Depot. It just so happened we found a place that sold it so much cheaper. Even if you paid full price for it at Home Depot or Lowe's, it's just made our porches look so much nicer. So I hope you enjoyed seeing our house upgrades. We are thoroughly enjoying them. I'm going to put the links down below for the smart lock. Be sure and clip the coupon, and you can see what a great price this fancy smart lock is. So I appreciate you watching. So I'll be back next week with some Christmas crafts in July.